Here we come to the Northwest elevators at the West Campus parking garage at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. These are ThyssenKrupp from 2003. This is a take on a beautiful clear blue sky. You can see the Student Rec Center right over there. We're gonna switch cars up on the top floor this time. There's your cab view. These are fast for only 6 stories. These are your fixtures. Well, let's send this down and we'll get the other elevator car. Hopefully the other one works. I think I hear it coming. Yep, here it is. Similarly like the other elevator. I can't wait to do the one facing towards the main side of campus. We're gonna get a good view of the Student Rec Center in 4K mode. Here it goes. See a little bit of cloud way in the distance. All right, back down to PL and we'll end the video there. Just wait until you see the main elevators. Mr. Security's watching. And with that being said, there it goes, and that's it.